In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage game dev projects with Trello. We'll set up a ready-to-use project board using Trello's game development template so you can organize tasks, milestones, and sprints without starting from scratch. Begin by opening your Trello boards page so you're on your main dashboard. At the top of the screen, click the Create button. This is your hub for spinning up new boards, and it's the fastest way to get a structured workspace going for your project. From the options that appear, choose Start with a template. Templates are powerful because they give you a proven structure tailored to a specific workflow, which saves time and helps your team align on terms and stages right away. Next, select Explore Templates. This opens Trello's gallery where you can browse by category and preview how each template is organized. It's a great place to get ideas for process stages, naming conventions, and how to visualize your pipeline. In the search bar, type Game Development. This narrows the gallery to templates designed for production pipelines, from backlog triage to QA and release preparation. Open the Game Development template and take a moment to glance through its lists and example cards. You'll typically see stages that mirror a common dev cycle, which makes it easier to map your tasks immediately. When you're ready, click Use Template. Trello will prepare a copy of the board for you. You'll now be prompted to name it. Enter a clear, descriptive title that makes sense to your team at a glance, such as the project name and, if helpful, a version or platform tag. Good naming keeps multiple boards distinguishable as your portfolio grows. Choose the workspace where this board should live. Pick the space your team already uses so permissions and access are straightforward. If you collaborate across departments, placing the board in a shared workspace helps keep designers, programmers, artists, and producers aligned. Finally, click Create. Trello will generate your new board with the same lists and structure from the template, along with any example cards that illustrate how to use it. This gives you an immediate blueprint for organizing tasks by status, priority, or discipline. That's it. You've created a game development project board from a template, complete with a sensible structure that's ready for your backlog, sprint planning, and review cycles. Use this board as your project's single source of truth so everyone knows what's in progress, what's blocked, and what's ready for testing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your game with a cleaner, more predictable workflow.